I've had it's actually got a 2-litre engine out of an ST Focus. When the project started, it was just a bare shell.
Oh wow!
It was just like there was nothing here apart from the shell itself. So everything that's on the inside and the outside, we have done ourselves. Yeah.
I guess is it turbo?
No. It's non-turbo. We have put it on we've taken it to a rolling road to get it tuned so that we get the most out of the engine and the most out of the engine management system as well. So its output at the moment is 182 brake at the wheels.
Wow!
So it's
What would the original have been?
I think it probably, I don't know, maybe 60 or 70.
So it's come a long way.
It's come a long way, yeah. So you're building up a collection of the original analog dials, but because it's a different engine, we've got a sensor on the front wheel, and the sensor that calibrates how quickly the car is going by sensing how quickly the wheel's turning. That then converts it from a digital signal to an analog cable, so that we can have the speedo. But it's a piece of kit that's come from America, and I'm waiting for it. The wheel sensors needs replacing.
You just sort of have to guess at the moment.
Yes, I'm very good at keeping it just under the speed limit, so that's fine.
Much more to do to the car.
There's a little bit of cosmetics to do. We've sort of damaged the paint a little bit from where it's been put together. We need to get some different brake pads in it because it doesn't sometimes stop as quickly as we'd like it to, but you're perfectly safe and hopefully you feel safe.
I do.
So and there's just a few little jobs that need doing really. So it doesn't stop super quickly, but these are wheelwood brakes. it's got the look of an old car, so it's fine. So all of a sudden you've got nothing. But it will pull it pulls very well in every gear, so it does have plenty of torque. So if I'm on the motorway, you know, I'm in fifth now. I'm in sixth, it's still, you know, it's still pulling really hard.
It still stops. Fits in there. Really nice.
It does go in quite well, yeah.
Right.